Does leaving the playground always end in a meltdown? Or does turning off the TV feel like a daily war zone? You are not alone. Transitions are one of the biggest challenges for young kids, but they don't have to stay that way. Today I will show you how to make them easier with just a few simple shifts that really work. Hi, I'm Shireen, and I help parents turn chaos into connections. I am a mom to a daughter with autism, and while things weren't always easy, she's doing really well now. She's really thriving. So, if your child finds it hard to move from one activity to another, especially when they're tired or overwhelmed, I understand. Whether you're raising toddlers or sensitive school-age kids, smoother transitions can completely shift your day and your relationship. So let's start with why transitions are such a struggle. Young children live entirely in the moment. So when we suddenly say, time to go, their brains hear, danger, you are losing something important. That then triggers a stress response. Add to sensory overload and tiredness or hunger, and boom, you've got a meltdown. But here's the truth. They're not giving you a hard time. They are having a hard time. Now, here's what most of us do, and yes, I've done it a lot too. We give a sudden command to the kids, and we say, okay, time to leave. Screens off, turn the TV off, iPad's finished. But to a child's nervous system, that can feel like a threat. They weren't prepared, and now you're the one taking away something they really love and was enjoying. So in that moment, you become the bad guy, and the conflict and meltdown begins. So what actually works? Let me share 3 powerful strategies that made a huge difference for me and for the families that I support. So, number 1, preview the transition. Give a gentle heads up. Try, in 5 minutes, we're leaving the park. Or you said, 2 more videos, then screen time is finished. This gives their brain time to adjust. It softens the resistance and reduces emotional shock. Number 2, use visual or auditory cues. A countdown song, a visual timer, or a picture schedule creates predictability. You are no longer the enforcer. The routine is, and when kids know what to expect, they feel safer and much more in control. And 3, offer simple choices. Do you want to hop or tiptoe to the car? Want to pack up first or say goodbye first? Choices give your child a sense of power, even within the boundaries that you have set up. That sense of agency can dramatically reduce the pushback. This completely changed things when my daughter was younger. Now, back then, mornings were chaotic. Rushing, resistance, and so many tears. But once I started saying, we're leaving after this song, everything shifted. We left the house without fights, without tears, just calm. But it didn't happen overnight. Another thing I did to support my daughter was to use simple picture chart. Before that, every transition ended in I don't want to or no. But once the steps were visual and predictable, she started saying, okay, what's next? It's very simple tools, real results. So let's quickly recap what we went through. You need to preview the change ahead of time. Use visuals or auditory cues for predictability. Offer simple choices to create shared control. Okay? These aren't just parenting hacks, they are emotional safety nets as well. And when your child feels safe, they can handle change so much better. If this helps, hit like and subscribe so more parents can find this kind of support. And tell me in the comments, what transition is hardest for your child right now? Is it leaving school? Is it bedtime? Is it getting dressed? Brushing their teeth? Just remember, you are not alone and you don't have to figure it out by yourself. Together, we're building a calmer, more connected way to parent.